Breaking news. Democratic Alliance, DA, has suspended their MP, the racist MP, who has been caught in many videos saying words that are not, words that I think some other people might not even take it kindly. They will take legal action against him. But here's the thing, guys. We're going to see the hypocrisy here, right? There's something that I want us to talk about, right? Number one, okay. Before we talk about the other things that I'm about to look that I want us to look at, look at this now. There's this message that has been said that the DA Federal Executive suspends Ronaldo Gouws by DA Media. This is dated 20 June 2024, released immediately. This is what they then continue to say. The DA has established that the video which Mr. Gouws uses execrable language is in fact genuine and not a fake as initially suspected. The DA Federal Executive have therefore suspended Mr. Gouws with immediate effect while he faces disciplinary charges before the party's Federal Legal Commission. Apamangam. The thing is, the video I can't put it on YouTube. Remember that video? Look, guys. This guy, I told you, this guy is unrepentant. I told you that he is an unrepentant racist. And when we say so, I do not want or wish that good white people get offended by the use of the word racist. And then, look, I don't want them to feel like we are saying all of them are corrupt. But what I'm saying is, and I wanna qualify what I'm saying. The place I stay in, I got this place from a white person, right? The agent was a white lady by the name, let me not say her name, but I'm not saying it in a negative light. Her name is Charmaine. I even told her I'm rating her, I'm giving her 5 star. That's how good she is, right? And I've never, as I was interacting with her, I've never had any sense of being discriminated against. Instead, I felt more comfortable talking to her, and she made means and plans, and I got the deal, and that's why I'm staying here. I'm saying to say there are good white people, and let's not say all of them are bad. You understand? I don't want the good ones to feel offended that we are saying all of them are like that. No, there are good ones. I'm conceding to that. There are good white people, warm-hearted, but House is not one of them. And it ends there. Before I proceed with this one, guys, I know that you are also not racist. Why? Because of this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, another thing, guys, that I want us to take into consideration is the fact that so the DA have suspended him, but I want you to notice this. The very DA was busy defending the man. They were busy saying that no, the video is fakey, blah blah blah. Whereas the man himself he denied the second video. Please note that he denied the second video, saying that that video is a manipulation of AI. Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's a manipulation of AI. It's a smear campaign against me, against my name. That's what the man said. But there's one thing that I want to show you shortly from now, right? I want to show you this, and I look and give me time. I want us to go through this, right? There's an article that was released by IOL. Let me go through this article. It said, look, just in DA suspends. There's somebody that is calling me. Can I tell this person that I'm going to call her back? Just 10 minutes. In 10 minutes' time, I'm going to call her back. Right. Oh, sorry, guys. Following the IOL expose, I know. Let's give credit to IOL, guys. Let's give credit to IOL. There's an article that was published by Ukamogelo Mochela, right? Moichela. Published, like it says, the Democratic Alliance DA suspends MP Ronaldo House after establishing that the video in which House utters racist slurs is genuine and not a fake, as they initially suspected. Following an expose by IOL Wednesday, the DA launched an investigation into the fresh video that surfaced of House uttering racial insults to black people. In the video, House can be heard saying, all right, so there's just a couple of things I want to say. He says, that's why he says, kill the kafir, right? Kill all these, this kafir niggas. That's all I've got to say. Right? Then I even showed you the video. I said the video, to those who want to watch the video, is in my video description. He also made a racist video where he said that apartheid was better. Listen to this person. He had made previous videos where he says apartheid was better. Those now I want you to bear in mind here. Those are the sentiment of Helen Zille when he says local colonialism was better. It brought back. Those I'm told. That's why I said it's a sentiment of a TA, because Helen Zille shares the same sentiment, right? Now listen to this one. He has apologized for those videos, claiming that he made them when he was young and did not know better. Okay, let's continue. House was sown. Okay, right now there's a statement that this statement that I wanna refer to, but I can't find them. Now here's the thing. What I wanted to show to you is this, and that is, there is a problem with this. You see, these organizations that takes people to court. Have you noticed that now it's hosts and most of them are quiet? Where are the local undoing tax organizations like that? The ones that took Abo Brandleaf to court, those organizations, where are they? We must, you guys must not look at this issue in isolation. There are organizations that are busy prosecuting certain types of people, even with color, right? There are organizations in this country that focuses on specific people of color and targets them. If those organizations that are there defending the Constitution, this is the perfect time for them to take one of their own to court, because it's about the Constitution, not about the color of a skin. Now, let us see. I say EFF, I know they are going to do something. Let's just remove EFF out of the picture. I know they said they were going to do something about it, and I trust them. They never said things that they were not going to do, right? EFF is very straight to the point. Let's remove EFF. Let's talk about these organizations that open a case against Brian Leaf, open a case against blah, blah, blah. Those organizations, let us see those organizations taking one of their own to court. Now you can see that when we speak about racism, and I've been telling you that there is racism in this country, and Cape Town is a capital city of racism. I said to you guys, in Cape Town, you now go and test what I'm saying now. Go and test that. So when you see the incident of a host and you think it's an isolated incident, Cape Town is a place of racism. In Cape Town now, I know, and I've been telling you the story. I've got friends. Some of them are working here in Joburg. They got sent to Cape Town by their companies, right? They get to Cape Town, they qualify to get an apartment because of the color of their skin. They were denied apartment, right? They were denied apartment in Cape Town. They had to ask other white people to apply on their behalf because they are black. In Cape Town, there was once a video where somebody was exposing this thing that they look. I forgot whether it was a lady or what. Was speaking about this to say in Cape Town, there's this thing that is happening that if they want to sell a property, there are certain places where you are not supposed to buy a property if you are black. If they are selling a property at 1 million rand and you come with 1.2 million rand as a black person, you're still not going to get the property, right? And then I've got somebody that I know. I've been telling you that you voted people that have the share sentiment. Look, they don't condone racism, right? In Cape Town, right? A guy who works in Gauteng. There's something that look. There's a company that had an emergency situation. They took a company vehicle with all the tools. They drove like today. They live in Gauteng, going to Cape Town. They are driving a company vehicle, right? So they're supposed to be there for a week. I keep telling you the story. Now I want you to make sense of the stories that I've been telling you. Look. So when they leave here, another white guy was already in Cape Town. So he gets to look in Cape Town. When they leave, he tells them that okay, before they could even leave, okay, I will now look for an apartment. Not that the apartment is not available, right? Apartments are there for them. I mean, apartments are available. Not that they don't have money to rent for these people. Money is there. Now, I will tell you the issue. It starts looking for an apartment. They drove 24 hours on the road. They spent 24 hours on the road. This guy, he began looking for an apartment. He could not find an apartment. And he found the apartment just 1 hour prior to their arrival in Cape Town. Why was he not finding apartments when apartments were available? As soon as he said, local black people are going to be staying here, he was denied apartment. Local period. When then, so you see them suspending Gouws and you think when they hate racism. If you want to see that they hate racism, go into the capital of racism in Cape Town and try and get access to certain places. And let's see if you will get that access. That point I'm making to say to you that there is a problem in this country of people who are racist, but they don't want to, at least, look, some of them had admitted that they are racist. So the issue of Gouws, the one you are seeing right now being suspended, is not an isolated incident in that organization. There are many of those, but they understand the repercussions if they were to come out. If they hate racism, go look, hamba or go and ask what have they done to eliminate what I'm talking about in Cape Town. What have they done to eliminate that? I'm asking you, what have they done to eliminate that? So do not take this incident as an isolated incident. There are many of these incidents. We just happens to know this. There are many of these people who believes in this. We just happens to know this. But Jehovah, I remember Zuma warning people and saying, "Listen, people. I see you are look, you are educated. You speak fluent English and you speak very nice. Fine. But to think that you are going to vote for DA and you think that DA is going to bring a change or is going to bring about a change. He says DA is a child of a national party that was implementing apartheid in this country. To think that just because you went to the same school with white people now, DA has changed. He said, what has changed is the color of the party and the name. But the values and the principles are just the same. I'm not convinced up to this point that DA. Remember Mane when he left DA? Remember that at some point he was quiet and then he began talking. Guess he complained about what? Racism at DA. So the point is the issue of Gouws is not an isolated incident.